nervous. We were wondering, how will they adjust? Will they enjoy school? Will they be okay without us for a few hours? And now, seeing how much Liam and his classmates have grown, not just in height or knowledge, but in confidence, character, and faith. We see the incredible impact this school has had on them. Each day, Liam would come home full of stories. He would excitedly tell us about the songs they learned, the Bible verses he memorized, the little craft he proudly made, and new things he discovered. These moments, though simple, are powerful reminders of how much potential is being nurtured in such a loving and Christ-centered environment. One thing that really touches my heart is how much Liam looks forward to their chapel hour every Friday. Pag-uwi niya po sa bahay, masaya niyang ikinukwento sa amin kung ano ang mga kantang inawit nila, pati na rin ang kwento at aral na natutunan niya. Paulit-ulit pa nga niyang kinakanta ang mga bagong worship songs na narinig niya. As a parent, it brings me so much joy to see him growing in faith, even at a young age. It reminds me that our walk with God also helps shape our children's hearts. Maranatha Christian Academy has provided more than just a place to learn the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It has been a place where faith, kindness, and the joy of discovery have been sown in our children's hearts. They have learned about friendship, compassion, and the boundless love of God, lessons that will guide them as they grow. To our dear completers and graduates, always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are special, you are loved, and you are capable of amazing things. Keep your hearts curious, your hands kind, and your faith strong, wherever life takes you. To my fellow parents, this is also a celebration of our journey. The bedtime stories, the morning struggles, the little hands we held through the first days, and the prayers we whispered for their growth and happiness. Today, we celebrate all of that. And we look forward to the many more moments that will come. To the teachers of MCA, especially Teacher Pressy, thank you for your patience, your care, dedication, and the love you poured into our children. You made a lasting impact on their lives, and we are truly grateful. To my dear child, Liam Anak, we are so proud of you. You work hard, learned a lot, and grown in ways I never imagined. You brought joy to our home and filled our hearts with pride. I pray that you continue to walk in God's light, learn with passion, and grow into the amazing person He created you to be. And finally, I would like to sincerely thank our school administrator, Presbyter Bueno Barbida, for leading not just academically, but also spiritually, helping shape our children's character and fear of the Lord. To our spiritual director, Presbyter June Barbida, thank you for your constant guidance and prayers. Your presence reminds our children that true success is rooted in both wisdom and faith. Congratulations to the class of 2025. We've finished the chapter, but with God's help, There's so much more ahead. This is just the beginning. Thank you and God bless us all.